Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to delete a contact on Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you want to delete a friend on Snapchat if you no longer wish to follow them, then this video is for you. Open up your Snapchat app and make sure you're logged into your account. From the camera screen of Snapchat, go and tap on your profile icon at the upper left-hand corner. This will take you to your profile page. From your profile page, scroll all the way down until you see My Friends list right under Friends tab. Tap it on and you'll end up in the page where all of your friends on Snapchat are displayed. Go ahead and locate the name of the person that you'd like to remove from your Snapchat and tap hold the person's name. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see their information and select Manage Friendship. In the menu that pops up, select Remove Friend. Now, it'll ask you to confirm your selection if you'd like to proceed. Tap on Remove in order to confirm your deletion. Soon after you do that, the person will be removed from your Snapchat contact list. That is how you can easily delete a contact from Snapchat you no longer want to communicate with or you no longer want to follow. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.